And the thing about the harmonized tariff code is there's nothing harmonized about it at all. It's a mess. It is what they call a dog's dinner of like just thousands and thousands of tariff codes. And these are tariff codes that actually, they apply to the whole world. So, just the last few digits make them the United States. So what I've done is created something that allows to be able to put in the tariff code that they're using and project their costs. What I really was looking for was the big thing, which is tariff intelligence. If you look closely enough, or if you're not paying attention and you start paying attention, there may be savings. You may be leaving money on the table, or you may discover that your bicycle lamp that you that you bring in, well, can be considered a pen light, because it fits into this particular category. And that might be half the tariff or half the duty rate that you're paying right now. So, and those things happen all the time because, well, not all the time, but they happen on a regular basis because a lot of times big companies they have those lawyers and they lobby to get something. There's a thing called a binding ruling. And your broker would be the one to do this, but the idea is that you let customs know what you're doing. You don't want to surprise customs. They really don't mind if you find a loophole. They hate being surprised. They do not want to find that your costume jewelry is actually Pez or something like that. They want the stuff that you say is in your container to be in your container. But if you basically get a hold of it, you send them a letter and you say, I think that my suitcases are actually skateboards. And you can give them a really good reason for why that is. And I'm going to put wheels on they have wheels on the bottom of them. They have a flex, which is sort of a skateboard. This one wouldn't go over, but that's the idea. You can really kind of, if you look carefully enough, and this is one of the things the app helps you do, is it not only says, here's what other things are in your category, and here are things that are just wild. And we use AI to do that. It's called semantic reasoning. And AI is really good at that. And then we monitor it because AI is also a little bit, it's known for being a little off the charts sometimes, but that's what we're looking for, is a little off the charts.